Now I'm going to take you through our final text source. It's a website. You can click on the link to open it. What you'll want to do is, as I read through, if you hear something you think could be used as evidence in your writing, you'll want to pause the video and take notes on that, and then you can resume. Okay, the title is Food Prices Are Insanely High in Rural Canada, where ketchup costs $14 and Sunny D costs $29. This is a grocery store in Arctic Bay in Nunavut, Canada. See, there's not a whole lot of food on the shelves. So you can use the writing and the images to help you gather information. Getting food to isolated subarctic regions of northern Canada is no easy feat. Since fresh produce largely can't be grown there due to endless winters, food is shipped long distances overseas by plane or ship. The same goes for packaged food, most of which is manufactured in southern Canada. As Modern Farmer has noted, subarctic supply chains are also at the mercy of both natural and human-made disasters like blizzards, earthquakes, volcanoes, and shipping strikes, which make food delivery even more difficult. So clearly, this whole article is about food. And so you will probably want to be in your INB on the page where you're recording notes about food. If you want to pause and record any information from here, go ahead and do that now. That means even a few grocery bags full of food can cost a fortune. An advocacy group called Feeding My Family has been documenting Northern Canada's high food prices since 2013. Started by Nunavut resident Lisi Patsy, the group seeks to raise awareness around food insecurity and encourage policymakers and retailers to lower food prices in the region. Take a look below. Skip this. This says 3 bags of groceries pictured here cost $245 in Coral Harbor, Nunavut. Many of the roughly 21,000 Facebook members live in Nunavut, where approximately 86% of the population is Indigenous. To reach far North Canada, food suppliers must travel long distances. This jacks up grocery prices. And then you can look at some of the different pictures. It looks like some pineapple, and it's got the cost in US dollars is listed below the picture. This is Canadian dollars. Food shipments usually only come to Nunavut a few times per year. Summer fog and winter storms thwart deliveries for weeks at a time, leaving some stores devoid of staples like milk and bread. One grocery store in the region, for example, charges $13.59 for ketchup. That's the US price, and that's the Canadian price. So you can go ahead and go to the article and continue to flip through and look at some of the pictures and read the cost of some of the different foods in northern Canada. And then you'll be done with the source.